Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine. This prevents damage and lets you work safely. Once unplugged, ground yourself. An anti-static wrist strap or touching the case helps avoid electrostatic discharge. Next, remove the side panel and identify the target bay. M2 slot on the motherboard or a 2. 5. Drive bay for SATA. Make sure standoffs or adapters are ready. If using an adapter, align it now. These first actions set a safe, efficient foundation, so the install proceeds without hiccups. You handle the physical install next. The steps differ by form factor, so pay attention. For M2, insert the module into the slot at about a 30-degree angle, seat it fully, then press down and fasten the screw. This ensures solid contact and correct signaling. For a 2. 5. SATA SSD, attach it to the bracket, slide it into the bay, and secure with screws before connecting SATA data and power cables. While doing this, route cables cleanly to preserve airflow and reduce stress on connectors. You finish by reassembling the case and reconnecting power. Then boot into BIOS or UEFI to verify the new SSD is recognized and set the correct boot order if needed. If the drive is not detected, power off and reseat the connectors, try a different SATA port or M2 slot, and consider updating the motherboard firmware. These fixes solve most recognition problems. Once detected, initialize and partition the disk in your operating system, or clone the old drive if you are replacing the system disk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.